Hi, welcome back to MobiQ. Today I have an iPhone 11 Pro. Press the power button, turn on the phone. You can see line in display. After few seconds, phone on normally. Enter the passcode. Open settings. Click on General. Click on About Phone. You can see no display message. I buy new original display in Dubai Dara market. I pay 225 United Arab Emirates dirhams. Remove the battery connector. Let's remove the display connector. Take out the original old display. Connect the market original display. Fix the battery connector. Press the power button, turn on the phone. Turn on normally. Enter the passcode. Open the settings. You can see important display message. Click on the message. You can see error, unknown part. About settings also showing error message. Turn off the phone. You can see the original display IC. This IC very important IC. TrueTune and touch function also controlling this IC. Remove the battery connector. Disconnect display connector. Take out the market original display. Take original display and new market original display. Market original display IC remove and replace old display IC. I will show you how to replace. Let's start with MobiQ. Take old display. Apply some soldering flux. Heat the display IC with hot air gun 350 degrees Celsius and airflow 2. Slowly remove the display IC. Display IC pin point covered with black past. IC number 930004. Attach IC. Apply some soldering flux. Soldering iron temperature 350 degrees Celsius. Remove black past using soldering iron and soldering wick. Continue to remove. After removing black past, clean display IC, using thinner and white cloth. Subscribe the channel. Take tissue and fold 2 times. Make hole IC size. Insert IC in hole. Take soldering past, 130 degrees Celsius. Insert rebonding stencil. Alliance stencil. Apply some soldering past. Continue to fill the stencil hole using soldering past. Hold the stencil using juicer. Heat the display IC with hot air gun 350 degrees Celsius and airflow 2. Release the chooser. Take out display IC. You can see ball in IC. Apply some soldering paste. Heat with hot air gun 300 degrees Celsius. Take the market original display. To avoid display damage, apply temperature tape around the display. Apply some soldering flux. Heat the display IC with hot air gun 340 degrees Celsius and airflow tube. Please do not damage display. Remove the display IC. Remove the temperature tape. Clean the display bonding pad with soldering wick and soldering iron 350 degrees Celsius. Clean display with thinner. Connect the market original display. You can see no display IC in display. I check the touch function, but not working touch. Remove the display. To avoid display damage, apply temperature tape around the display. Put the original display IC. Put same position. Heat the display IC with hot air gun 340 degrees Celsius and airflow tube. Remove the temperature tape. Clean the display IC with wipe cloth and thinner. Connect the display in motherboard. Press the power button. Turn on the phone. Enter the passcode. Let's check touch function. It's working fine. Take old display. Remove the screw. Remove the earpiece strip. Discount the battery connector. Discount the display connector. Take out the display. Fix the earpiece strip. Put the screw. Subscribe the channel. Connect the display. Subscribe the channel. Enter the passcode. Touch function working well. TrueTune also restored. Thanks for watching.